Hey there guys, thank you for coming by my channel today. I truly appreciate it. I'm Amanda. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. It is a slow cooker Saturday again, and today we're making slow cooker pizza. You're just going to want to start off by taking your dough. This was just a dough that I had in the freezer. You can use homemade dough, whatever works for you. I believe this will probably roll out to about a 12-inch pizza. But yeah, you'll just start by putting your dough in there. I put parchment paper in there to be able to take it out easily. And then you'll want to add your sauce and then your cheese. And then add your toppings, whatever that may be. We just did pepperoni on this night because it's simple and that's what we had on hand. And then you'll just add more cheese and any seasonings that you may like. I did end up adding garlic powder, parsley, and onion powder to the top of my sauce. I did use a mixture of cheeses. I used a Italian cheese blend, I used Provel cheese, and then I also used some cheddar cheese. And here it is, ready to be cooked. I did put double pepperoni and double cheese because that's how I like my pizza. And then you'll want to take some paper towels and put it in between the lid and the crock pot because you don't want the condensation to drop down onto your pizza and make it soggy. You want it as crisp as it can be, just like a regular pizza. We'll just want to cook this on high. Mine cooked for about 2 hours on high. I did check it here at an hour just to make sure. I'm sorry, an hour and a half, just to make sure that it was done and it was cooking right. And it wasn't done quite yet, but it was looking amazing and cheesy and gooey, and I was so excited for this. And here is the final reveal after the 2 hours. You do want to check it. My crock pot does cook a little bit hotter, so just check it periodically to make sure that it's not burning. But it turned out great. It's crispy on the edges, and it's saucy and cheesy and just everything I believe that a pizza should be. Was a lot thicker than what I thought it would be, but it was so good, guys. I hope you'll give it a try. I really appreciate you coming by my channel today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you all have a wonderfully awesome, amazing day.